Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And if I always sound excited, I love unboxing. I love testing out the newest and the greatest products, not to mention iced coffees right here. Keep me going and keep me energized. This is my 5th one for the day, so we're looking really good. This, guys, is going to be for the RecoverFun Mini. And they come in different colors. I have chosen the red one. They also come in a black color as well. And this is a massage gun, but it is a mini massage gun. It's going to be a lot smaller than their other models. And I've already reviewed their other model of the RecoverFun massage gun, so I'm looking forward to a mini. This is the first time I've actually gotten my hands on one of these, and I'm definitely intrigued about the power. But what's cool about this, these are a little bit more sleek, smaller of course, where you can take this on your travels. You can maybe pack this in your gym bag a little bit easier. But let's go ahead and run a few specs by you before we do get it out of the box. It's actually lightweight. It's only 0.5 kilograms. According to my Amazon device, it's about 1 pound, 2 ounces. The power is going to be 30 watt. The battery inside is going to be a 2,600 milliamp battery, rechargeable lithium ion. And the usage time for that battery and this small massage gun is going to be 5 hours. That's fantastic. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. We're going to go ahead and run it through the test runs. All right, my friends, the time has come to get the mini massager out of the box and use it. Let's see what we've got. Right on the top, we are going to have ourselves a RecoverFun mini little bag, little satchel bag, that you can store that and bring that on your travels with you. Again, I am traveling in Colorado right now. That's why the background looks a little different. And so I'm super pumped about this because I'm playing a lot of Frisbee disc golf, mountain biking, and I needed to use this tonight on my arm so I can get back to training. All right, we have our instruction manual here. Here are some specifications that you guys might want to pause and go ahead and read that. There are 4 levels, level 1, 1800 RPM, level 2, 2400 RPM, level 3, 2800 RPM, and level 4, 3200 RPM, power 30W. Battery capacity is again 2600 milliamp. And here are some charging tips right there for you guys as well. If you guys want to pause that. All right off the bat, we have our charging cable. That's a USB Type-C cable, which is awesome. Type-C to charge it. All the companies now are going Type-C. So that's fantastic. So the same charging cable that can charge my Samsung S8 Plus, which we're filming on, can charge the massager, which is awesome. Let's take a look at this. That feels great in my hand there. Absolutely fantastic, and definitely mini as well. Look at how cool that is in the red color. Again, they do have a black color as well. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom here. We have our power button right here. Our 4 LED indicator lights, our charging port Type-C again right below here. So we hold that down for 1 1000, 2 1000, and it actually turns on level 3, level 4, and it goes down to level 1, 1 1000, 2, and it goes off. So once it is on, it will automatically go to level 1, hit it again level 2, hit it again level 3, hit it again level 4 right there, 1 1000, 2, and it turns off. As we heard, very silent. Let's go ahead and stick an attachment in, but before we do, let's go ahead and go through the attachments here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the attachments here. First off, we have this bullet head one, which is hard plastic, and that's looking really nice to go ahead and protrude straight through your tissue muscles and looking really strong, especially on your shoulders, etc., in your legs there. Next up, we have the U one here, which is going to be great for your spine, legs, your quads, coming in this general area right up here. That's a great attachment as well. And then this one here, which matches kind of a half domer there, as you can see, and that would be absolutely wonderful for penetrating your legs, maybe your back, and that's going to be harder than your tennis ball type one here. The tennis ball one is my go-to attachment. I do like that for my shoulders, for my back, and for my leg, etc. So now I'm going to show you easily how you just literally pull this one out here, and the attachments are very easy to insert right here. Just go ahead and slip it on in, and just go ahead and give it a little push in, and you are good to go after that, ready for action. And look at how much smaller that is than other massage guns. That is level 2 again. Level 3, this is very quiet, guys. Very nice. And level 4 here, being able to penetrate away. That is awesome. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this through the ringer. My shoulder is sore again from Frisbee disc golf, and I'll let you know how it works. But before I do, I'll show you what it looks like inside of the little bag here. Go ahead and place it in the bag. draw that string right there, and that's actually very small. As you can see, my hand size. Now I do have big hands, but as you can see, that is a lot smaller for travel purposes. That's great. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you some techniques now that I use the mini massage gun for. Just yesterday, I think I talked about it already in the video. Right up here, I've had some strain from kickboxing class and Frisbee disc golf. So what I do, again, just hold it down for a few seconds. And because it's pretty tender, I like to just go on setting number 1 as well. For the elderly, setting 1 would be perfect for you. Just, it gives you that nice relaxing where your muscles are relaxed, but it's not over the top and it doesn't hurt, especially if you've just strained it. So again, right through here is very strained from Frisbee disc golf, unleashing my arm like that, not with really proper technique. I need to work on that. So right through here. So again, on setting number 1, using the tennis ball one, which has a little bit of a give to it, we're just gonna go ahead and work that out like this. And again, right here, I'm just literally at the desk working. You can do this, of course, while you're watching TV. It's gonna be nice and quiet. You can still hear the television volume just fine if you have to turn it up a few notches, but let's go ahead and put this a little bit closer to the microphone. As you can hear, very quiet. I'm gonna stop talking now for a few seconds. Very compact and nice, easy, especially for the elderly, like we talked about, where they're not holding a bulky, big, full massage gun, just nice and small one here. You do have to be a little careful on your bone areas. You don't want it to jump around, but the thickness, as you can see here, let me show you a little bit more right here, is this thickness of your muscles is totally fine. If you do get up towards your collarbone, it will maybe jump around, so you do have to be a little bit careful of that. But as you can see, just working out the muscles every day, give it about 5 minutes upwards, and maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and work this out for a little bit while I'm continuing to work here, just to prepare for either this evening more Frisbee disc golf or tomorrow. So definitely check out the different attachments and just sit and relax and massage that pain away. My mom was actually using it a couple times, and she said she slept a lot better on her shoulder that was hurting her, and she was just using it on level 1. And she said she could actually reach back behind the back seat of the car a lot better than she has been before, so I made her sit down and use it again. So she's reporting good news from this massage gun as well. Not to mention, just to loosen up those muscles. And because this is a mini, not only does it have good battery life, it also comes in at a cheaper price than the bigger massage gun. Overall, thumbs up by me without a doubt. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. In the description box below is gonna be this exact same mini massage gun by RecoverFun, right in the description box below. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you guys linked as well. Pick up a red or a black one, but just like all my unboxing and review videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. If you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. Hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe on your way out. We'll see you guys on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.